Here's how to play the piano part for Dance Monkey. First, mark the keys on the left end of the piano, like this. Now mark the keys on the right end of the piano, like this. Your keyboard should look like this. Now you're ready to play. Pink, orange, green, yellow. Now practice alternating left and right parts. You can play this with two people, one on each part, or you can play it by yourself with left and right hands. After practicing this next level, you'll be ready to start playing along with the original recording of the song. 1, 2, ready,